Folks, I've been around cars my whole life. Big V8s, elegant classics, you name it. The roar of an engine, the smell of gasoline, the thrill of shifting gears. These were the things that defined driving for generations. For many, cars weren't just machines. They were a way of life, a symbol of freedom and ingenuity. For decades, it was all about gasoline, spark, and noise. The world ran on fossil fuel, and the car industry was built around it. Massive engines, chrome, and horsepower ruled the roads. That formula gave us legends, but then something different arrived. Tesla. It wasn't just another car company, it was a bold new idea, a challenge to everything we thought we knew about cars. Electric cars weren't new, but they were slow and impractical, until Tesla reimagined them. Before Tesla, electric vehicles were more of a curiosity, often dismissed as underpowered or only for the eco-conscious few. They didn't want a glorified golf cart. They wanted a car better than gas, period. Tesla's engineers set out to prove that electric could mean excitement, performance, and style. The Roadster proved electric could be fast and fun. Suddenly, 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds wasn't just for supercars, it was for electric cars too. But the real shockwave was the Model S, a luxury sedan that outran sports cars, packed a giant touchscreen, and could go hundreds of miles on a charge. It wasn't just about speed. It was about redefining what a car could be, blending technology and design in ways the world hadn't seen before. Suddenly the whole industry had to pay attention. The press, the executives, the skeptics, everyone was watching to see what Tesla would do next. Tesla wasn't just building electric cars, they were reinventing what a car could be. From software updates to autopilot features, they brought Silicon Valley thinking to Detroit's world. They challenged a century of tradition and sparked a revolution. The old ways of building cars suddenly looked outdated, and the race to innovate was on. The old guard, Detroit, Germany, Japan, had to take notice. These giants of the industry who once set the pace now found themselves scrambling to catch up. Tesla's approach was bold: start from scratch, innovate everywhere. They questioned every assumption, from how cars are powered to how they're sold and updated. They built their own charging network, made cars that improved with software updates, and put the driver at the center of a digital experience. It was a whole new way of thinking about mobility. The Model S wasn't just a car, it was a message. It told the world that electric cars could be aspirational, high-tech, and thrilling to drive. It made electric cars desirable, not just practical. Suddenly people wanted to own an EV, not just for the planet, but for the sheer joy of it. The revolution had begun, quietly but powerfully. Streets once filled with the rumble of engines now hummed with silent, instant torque. Tesla didn't just join the car world, they changed it. They inspired a new generation of drivers and forced the industry to rethink everything. And this story, it's only just getting started. Buckle up, because the future of driving is being rewritten before our eyes. The big question with EVs? Range. For years it was the #1 concern for anyone thinking about making the switch from gas to electric. Would you get stranded halfway to your destination? Could you trust your car to get you where you needed to go every time? Early electrics gave us range anxiety, always worrying if you'd make it to the next plug. Drivers planned every trip around charging stops, and long journeys felt risky, even impossible. Tesla knew this had to change, and they delivered. They set out to prove that electric cars could be just as capable, if not more so, than their gas-powered counterparts. The Model S shattered expectations, over 250, then 300, now 400-plus miles on a single charge. Suddenly cross-country road trips in an EV weren't just possible, they were practical. That's LA to Vegas, no sweat. You could drive for hours through city lights and desert highways without a second thought about your battery. The Model 3 brought this range to the masses. Affordable, practical, and still over 300 miles. It meant families, commuters, and first-time EV buyers could all enjoy true freedom on the road. Tesla's relentless battery innovation turned a weakness into a superpower. Their engineers pushed boundaries, making batteries lighter, more efficient, and longer-lasting. Now you can use a Tesla as your only car: errands, commutes, road trips. No more planning your life around charging stations or worrying about running out of juice. No more compromises, no more anxiety. Just get in and drive, wherever you want to go. It's freedom. Take the scenic route, be spontaneous, go anywhere. Tesla made it possible to rediscover the joy of the open road. Tesla made electric cars practical for real life. School runs, weekend getaways, or just a quick trip to the store, no problem. Their focus on range changed everything. It set a new benchmark for the entire industry, forcing everyone else to catch up. It's like going from a landline to a smartphone. Once you experience it, there's no going back. With class-leading range, Tesla set the standard. They made electric cars not just viable, but desirable, and that's the foundation for everything else they do. Range isn't just a number, it's the key to unlocking a new era of electric mobility. Let's talk performance, because Teslas are anything but slow. In fact, they're rewriting the rulebook on what it means to drive fast, and they're doing it in a way that feels almost otherworldly. Forget the old idea of electric cars being sluggish. Those days are long gone, replaced by a new era of electric vehicles that are as thrilling as they are efficient. Press the accelerator, and a Tesla launches instantly. No engine roar, just pure speed. The silence is almost shocking, making the acceleration feel even more dramatic. Electric motors deliver all their torque the moment you touch the pedal. There's no waiting for revs to build, no hesitation, just immediate, relentless power. No gears, no lag, just seamless acceleration. It's a sensation that's hard to describe until you've felt it for yourself. The Model S Plaid, 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, faster than million-dollar supercars. It's not just quick for an electric car, it's one of the fastest cars ever made, period. It's a family sedan that outruns almost anything in total silence. Imagine taking your kids to school in a car that can leave Ferraris and Lamborghinis in the dust, all while they listen to their favorite music in a peaceful cabin. But it's not just about speed. Teslas are designed to be smooth, refined, and easy to drive, whether you're on a winding mountain road or stuck in city traffic. Instant torque makes Teslas agile and responsive in daily driving, merging, passing, all effortless. You always have power on tap, making every maneuver feel confident and safe. You feel connected, in control, and always ready. The car responds to your every input with precision, making even routine drives feel special. And when you're just cruising, it's smooth and quiet. The absence of engine noise means you can relax, enjoy your music, or simply appreciate the peaceful ride. It's like having two cars in one, a calm commuter and a rocket ship. Whether you want to relax or feel your heart race, it's all at your fingertips. This blend of silence and speed is addictive. Once you've experienced it, you'll find yourself looking for excuses to drive. It's a new kind of performance, one that's redefining what cars can do. Electric power isn't just the future, it's already changing the game today. The future of speed isn't loud, it's electric, and it's here, quietly revolutionizing the way we think about driving. And once you try it, there's no going back. The silent speed of electric power is something you have to feel to believe.